There is a slight chill in the air, and it's the best time to have a quiet outdoor reading. I am so glad in this fast world I am able to notice and live these beautiful moments of falling leaves, hearing the sound of river flowing, watching the colors of sunset. I've been asked a lot of times why I make slow living videos, why my videos are not fast enough, and I really felt like talking about this in this vlog. But don't worry, it's not going to be a lot of talks. As usual, it's going to be more of silence and ASMR with less of talks, and I will not be painting in this vlog. So, welcome back to another chapter of Pre Cozy Pages. Such a sight, watching all the lovers fall into the night. All the moods in a heartbeat. We're going back where it all began. The same ground under our feet. Starts to shake with you all we can. Winter turned to spring. I remember everything from Wichita. This town is on its knees, you know, guidance overseas, I'm telling ya. Oh, it's more to this than what you see. You know, this town's got the best of me. The season of sunflower is nearly coming to an end. So, I have never done this before, but one day I noticed birds love to have sunflower seeds, and I decided to harvest the seeds for them. When they come and eat food every morning while I am sipping my coffee, I just get so much of happiness watching them. And this is the kind of calmer and peaceful pace of life I intend to live forever. And that's what I portray in my videos. People say that they fall asleep while trying to watch my videos, but that's what is an achievement for me. If you had a hectic day and you're not able to sleep at night, maybe because of stress or some worry or anything, and if my videos are helping you to fall asleep, I'll be more than happy. Noticing small things is a blessing. It's a way of living life, not taking much pressure or stress, taking care of health, eating home cooked and fresh food, living close to nature. I know a lot of us are not able to live that kind of life, maybe because of their work profile or the place where they live or any other condition. And I think my videos can bring that peace to their mind. If you guys have been watching my vlogs for a while now, you guys know that I'm an artist. And having such a calmer lifestyle helps to think and create new things. And that's how I'm able to explain you guys how my inspirations come through for each of my paintings. Even though we have a water bowl for our pets, but if you have a cat, you know it well that they like to have water from a running source. So, this is small DIY I'm working on, and it kind of actually worked. If someday I start making fast videos, I will not be able to keep up with it as this is my life. I'm sure there must be a lot of people in this world who would like to watch such kind of vlogs, and I believe most of my subscribers are like them, and I'm very glad to have you all. We are leaving for a short trip out of the mountains along with our pet babies. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye. Take care. Much love from Dinah and Zara.